We looked into solar because we wanted to make our home more energy efficient and we wanted to reduce our energy bills. Got a few quotes from a few different suppliers and we found that Refresh were the most competitive. We also found that they were extremely knowledgeable about the whole process and very easy to work with. We had a 3 kilowatt solar system installed with 7 solar panels, a battery and an inverter. So the process in terms of recommendations of the system was very straightforward. We had a free survey, which was great, and Refresh were able to recommend the best position for the solar panels. The work was done really in one day, and the whole team were fantastic. They were very efficient, they caused really minimal disruption. They just got on with the job. So we were very happy with how the day went, and everything was left neat and tidy. We've found that the solar system has been great. We've been able to generate our own electricity and run appliances like our dishwasher, our washing machine, our tumble dryer for free. So it's been fab. I would recommend getting solar panels. We have already seen great benefits in terms of the money that we've saved, and also we're happy that we're doing our bit to help the environment. We've found that about 70% of the electricity we need is coming from our solar system, which is fab, and that translates into about a £20 a week saving for us from our electricity bill, which we're absolutely delighted about. Having the battery was also a great decision because it means that we can store electricity we've generated and then, for example, in the evenings use it to charge our car. So I feel like we're really making the most of the energy that we are generating from our solar panels. The Refresh team were brilliant. I mean, Josh came out and did the initial survey and he was fab. He was very knowledgeable, talked us through the whole process, made sure we really understood what we were doing, so that was great. The installation team were also fantastic. They were very knowledgeable, just generally great workers, and talked us through the app that we could download onto our phone, so we can check the app and check how much electricity we've generated and how much money we've saved. So it was great that they were able to help us with that. So overall, we're very satisfied with the whole team. They're a great bunch. Well, I would definitely recommend Refresh NI for getting solar. Overall it was a great experience.